All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
What is up, my YouTube family? It's your girl Lexi, back with another video. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, and if you're not new here, welcome back, girly. So today I'm going to be filming a night routine video. I got off work a couple hours ago and I just left the gym about 40 minutes ago, and now I'm cooking. I'm making beef tips over rice. So it's on the stove right now, and right now I'm about to take a shower, y'all, because when I come home from work and leaving the gym, I like to go ahead and hop in the shower, get myself all clean so that I can go ahead and, you know, finish cooking and do whatever else I gotta do. So yeah, so I'm finna to get out of these clothes, go ahead and take a shower, and I will check back in with y'all in a minute. So now, you guys, the food is all ready. Green beans. Now I'm finna make the plates up and show y'all what they look like. So these are the plates. They didn't want no bread, neither did I. Now y'all, me and Bae are finna sit here and eat and watch Till. He been craving beef tips all week, and now he finally got what he want. So, good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So the night routine, when I started filming last night, I did not get to finish it. I ended up falling asleep. The girl was tired. So this morning I'm gonna be making breakfast, and I'm going to let you guys do that with me. I'm gonna be making chocolate chip waffles, grits, and chicken tenders for him. I don't really know what I want. I might eat waffles and eggs and grits. I don't know. That's what we're doing. Check back in with y'all when I start cooking.
Used to go till I hit the these niggas ain't living, so bury mine with me.
When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap realest nigga on my face. Let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave it.
I touch that's fine for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared to do? I'm not. As long as you joking, now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they grown when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with
my food, y'all. I'm not really that hungry, but this is what I made for myself compared to my boyfriend plate. I'm not really the biggest breakfast person. He is, but I still make myself a little something. So that was the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Make sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.